I got my equipment yesterday, so I did all that front, all C-sectionings, underside, most of the chassis on inside. I fetched crushed glass to do it, so I've done everything with crushed glass. What easiest bits like wheels and all inside the chassis, because that paint's not as bad as this, because this paint, it's about bleeding 10mm thick, well a couple of mil thick anyway, but it's been painted and painted I don't know how many times. So I fetched some slightly heavier grade today. Anyway, it's tinging off as well, and stay that way as well. It's a nasty job, this one. Still got a bit of glass that needs to push through, but once that glass is gone, yeah, that iron silicate's doing a lot better here. What do I call it? That glass is struggling with this paint. So this video might be a little bit higgledy-piggledy, up and down or whatever. There might be no start to it or whatever. Mainly because I forgot my cameras. Right. Let's move it up a tad. Oh, that's all, isn't it? Come this way, alright. Good job, this one. Not one that I'm enjoying anyway. Mainly because sun's baking down on my back. And it's taking forever. Things are not going to plan. Oh, it's got an anti-slip coating on it as well. Oh, jeez. Going to nip it up a little bit. In fact, I'll give that another try, because it could have been just a little bit of shit that's stuck involved. Turning up a bit. Just nip it up a little bit. Yeah, there's a fair old amount to do today. I've got all back sides of this chassis to do. I only got that front and then down that middle yesterday. I've got to get both sides done and then down that other bit. I'm hoping this iron silicate, when we stick it, to doing it a little bit quicker. Oh, it is a bit quicker. It is a lot quicker actually. Oh, bugger. got some misses like, but it don't matter anyway, because what I said to him is, if you want to do it perfect, you need to take all pipes off, take all these little plates off it and stuff, hit as much as you can from top, flip it over, and then do underside. This is now, he's not going to that effort with it. All I want to do is just get it not as scabby. That's a miss under there. I'm not overly bothered though, because they shut at 3 o'clock and he's told me I've got to stop at F2. So I'd have had a couple more hours, I'd have done a final walk round like, and I'd have hit them edges there. But he's just been down, he's not bothered, to be fair. He says it's a lot better than it was, and that's all they wanted. He says you'll not see it when all boards get put back on and that. It's one for the Sen anyway, this, so it's not like it's a customer's truck at all. But yeah, looks a lot better. It looks rusty like, but that's just what they call it. It's just shite stuck to it. Like I say, if you wanted to make a perfect job, you take all these pipes and wires off, hit as much as you can, flip it over, and then obviously like rusty bits that need replacing, I ain't bothered doing them. There's a miss there and all. But this is what I do on the last couple of hours. I'll get so far, I'll get to this point, and then I'll see a miss. Wherever I see a miss, I'll just go around and spot blast it, and it'll take me 2 minutes to knock all them off. But like I say, he's not bothered. And they're shut in, so, and it's Friday. So if you kind of like that little bit of a video, I've kind of tried knocking one together, but I knew I would push for time, so I didn't do much filming. So yeah.